Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques ever, how you doing? Happy New Year. This is fresh from Jaime's work desk. He just got this done. Really nice job on it. What we have here is a 1920s Columbus gumball machine. It's a beauty. I like the star on it. He's done a nice job putting a nice gold dome up there. It's all been cleaned out, polished up, ready to go, painted. So if you are a fan of the Columbus vending line, or just want a great gumball machine for your collection, which is just artwork, then this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.